So the other night I was working in the terminal and all of a sudden all of my commands stopped working. So normal stuff like ls and pwd, present working directory, none of that worked. And if that's happening to you, let me show you how to fix it. So why this happened is that you probably reset your path variable. So your path variable is where the shell, where your terminal goes to look for the different commands. So like ls, and you can see where that lives at like which ls, and it says, oh, that's located at bin/ls. That's where to find the code to run this command. Now, if you reset your path variable, your shell doesn't know where to look. So if you just echo your path variable, you can see your local, your paths, what they currently are. And remember, each one of these colons, this is an array. So each is a different path. So this is a path, this is a path. So all these are locations for different commands you can use. Now, let's just break our path, right? So if we said something like, hey, path equals blurg, now nothing works. And if we look at our path variable again, we can see that it's just set to blurg. And so the only commands it knows how to run are whatever's like right here. And I can't even have a list because there's no list command. Okay, so how do we reset this? Well, it's two simple steps. First, we need to temporarily set our path variable back to what it should be. Now, each system is going to be slightly different, but if you're just on a Mac, this will probably work for you. And I've put this code in the description. Okay, so we've reset just for this terminal session, our path variable back to its default. So we should have access to stuff like ls, but we want to reset it permanently. So let's go into and if you're on Z shell, this is what you need to do. Nano into your ZSH profile, and then export our path into our Z shell profile. Then we can just exit and save. And now, of course, we've got access to those commands. And even if we quit, open back up our terminal, we should have all of our normal commands.